Space melody on the beat.
techfeedz. Alright people, we got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way. So guys, pretty simple at this stage. That's the Mac 27-inch. Alright, already taken off the screen. I'm gonna leave all the instructions on the screen so you know exactly how to get there, how to get here. Now I'm gonna screw 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4 on each side of the screen, the LCD screen. Make sure not to touch the LCD screen itself. So I'm gonna screw these. You need special keys, Turks keys, 8 and 10. Alright, to replace your hard drive or repair your hard drive. So up to you. Okay, let's get down to business. So that's one of the screw. You know, I'm gonna grab that with a tweezer. Just make sure you don't lose your screw inside, drop it inside the motherboard or the computer shell itself. Alright, so right here I'm gonna be taking out the last one. I hope you can see. You just screw that out gently. Alright, gonna cut this in for now. So now guys, at this stage I already removed all the 8 screws from the side. Now what you need to push something beneath the screen. Lift it up. You see? Gently lift it up. Alright? On both sides, by the way. Both sides. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, at this stage, pretty straightforward. Once again, all these cables. Alright? All these cables. That one there has to be disconnected. I'm going to leave all the links, the instruction on the screen. Got a couple of cables to disconnect. That one there as well. Got another one on this side. You can see there's a lot of dust in here. So much dust. It's crazy. So I suspect this can be the problem that the computer has. Could be the reason it's not functioning. I'll decide that right now. I've removed the screen, the LCD screen. Now I'm just gonna blow the dust off. You can see it's pretty much clean right now. You know, I'm gonna carry on doing that. And yeah. And by the way, here is your hard drive. It's pretty easy to mount right now. 1, 2. 1, 2. We'll take it off. You just gotta make sure you disconnect the connectors. You should be good to go. Okay. And this is the 27-inch, by the way, 2011 iMac. Okay. So short burst should do the trick. Very short burst. It's pretty powerful. Right now you need a T10, okay, to remove the hard drive itself. Okay, these ones, T10. Okay, so now just pull the hard drive towards you and lift it up. Okay, you have to pull it towards you, then lift it up. Disconnect these cables. I already say that. It's already said. All right, let's do it. This is the hard drive itself. I'm gonna check what's going on with it. If not, I'm gonna be forced to replace it with that one. So when you wanna put it back, make sure everything is aligned. When it's aligned, you're gonna see that it's pretty aligned with the hole in there. Pretty straightforward. Okay, make sure to reconnect your connectors. All right, we got 1, 2, 3. Okay. Depending on what hard drive you got. So pretty simple, guys. To put the screen back, that's the screen LCD screen. All right, to put it back, just put it back exactly as you are finding it. I can't be clearer. Okay, I can't dust it off a little bit. Okay, so yeah, everything, make sure to pull every cable, reconnect all the connectors back to where they came off, and you should be good to go. Okay, let's get there. So guys, a little bit ironic, but what I've got here, this is 2.5 inch hard drive. Just a 2 terabyte, by the way, Seagate, and yeah, that's what I've got for now. You know, so I've got. So I'm gonna see if this is gonna function with the iMac. Well, normally 2.5 is okay and 3.5 is alright as well. So you know, guys, as I already said, make sure that your connectors go back to where you disconnected them from. Alright, it's very, very important to remember where you disconnected your cable from. Right now I need to initialize the new hard drive. So the best thing is to give it the same name as your previous old hard drive, which is Macintosh HHD or HDD. You know, just give it a similar name. That makes things much easier. So yeah, I'm gonna get down to business by erasing. All right. So I already said I'll leave all the links on the screen so you can go through it. So guys, this is how you you know, I'm gonna format this new Seagate. Okay. Name it just like I did right now is the best way to do it. Macintosh HD format Mac OS extended journal. Okay, and guild partition map. Remember that. All right. So now you can see it's all done. Pretty quick. All right. So you should be ready to go. Hopefully. Time to yeah. I'm gonna restore from Time Machine. All right. To my new internal, you know, to the new Seagate that I just formatted. All right. So now you easily find it because it's formatted. So you should be good to go. You know, this is how you do it. This is how you do it. Select your disk, your new disk, and the destination, obviously. Then restore. Press restore. Guys, listen to this. If it happens that your phones are, you know, spinning at full speed and you can barely hear yourself, you need to go to this website, SSD fan control. Okay, follow the instructions. This should help you help your fans to slow down and work accurately. All right. So now, you know, once you download it, you're gonna have to open it, allow it to install. Okay, you have to go to security and so on and so forth. Just follow the instructions. After that, you got three options there: auto, manual, or smart. Just put on auto on the right hand side. On the left hand side, it has to be on smart. That's what's going to allow your phone to sell. Okay, I love this app. Seriously, it helped out. Yes, people. As you can see, I haven't even bothered putting my glass back yet, but it's pretty much you know, the end of this tutorial. I've loved the adventure. All right, thanks for watching right about now.